Geobyte.
Dear students, now let us see what are the causes for rolling friction. Okay, look at the very first point. Let us consider a wheel rolling along a road. As the wheel rolls, it exerts a large pressure due to its small area. You know, by the time the wheel is rolling along a road, the entire outer circumference of the wheel cannot be touching the road surface. Only at a particular point of the wheel is touching the road. Because of the small contact area, the pressure developed is very high. It is like this. As you know, the pressure P equal to the pressure developed. The pressure developed P equal to force per unit area. Because of the small contact surface, contact area is less. Because of the small contact area, pressure developed is high. Here force is nothing but self weight of the self weight of the rolling member. Self weight of rolling member or roller. Okay. Similarly, look at the another important point. This causes a depression in the surface below and a mount or bump in front of it is shown in figure. So because of this large pressure developed, a bump is formed or a mount is formed. Look at the bump. Because of the small contact area, pressure developed is high. That large pressure is causing a bump formation or a dip formation. Okay. Similarly, look at another important point. In addition to this, the rolling of wheel has a continuously detach itself from the surface on which it rolls. You know, by the time the wheel is rolling over the road surface, the part of the wheel is continuously touching, means attaching and detaching the contact surface. This is opposed by the adhesive force between the two surfaces in contact. That attaching the road surface and detaching from the road surface is opposed by the adhesive force, right, at the contact surface, right. So because of all these reasons, a force originates which retards the rolling motion. A force which is developed because of all these factors, right, a force which is developed while the wheel is rolling, that force is called rolling friction, or that force is called rolling frictional force. Okay, it is like this. Look at the right, remember, see how this wheel is rolling. The wheel is rolling in this particular direction, right. So the frictional force is developed. This is the rolling frictional force, I can say Fr. The frictional force is always developing opposite to direction of motion. Understood clearly? Yes.
Geobyte.